Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho BugTracker for issue tracking in projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Zoho BugTracker for issue tracking in projects, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.zoho.com and press enter to navigate to Zoho's homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the Products section in the top menu. Hover over Products to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, locate and click on BugTracker. This will take you to the Zoho BugTracker product page. On the BugTracker page, look for a prominent button that says Get Started or Free Trial. Click on that button to begin the sign-up process. You will be redirected to a registration page. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and a password. After entering the information, check the box for accepting the terms and conditions. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Next, you may receive a verification email from Zoho. Open your email inbox and find the email from Zoho. Click on the verification link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you will be directed to the Zoho BugTracker dashboard. Here, you can customize your workspace and set up your project. To start tracking issues, click on Create Project to set up your first project. Fill in the project details such as the name, description, and team members involved. Finally, save your project settings and begin using Zoho BugTracker for issue tracking in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.